Hey, fourth graders. Today for your reading and writing lesson, you are going to pay attention to our objectives. Our objectives are right here for reading and for writing. You also have a little to-do list down there. This will help you if you're unsure of what you have to do for today. You can go back to this slide whenever you feel it is necessary. For today's lesson, you are going to listen to the read aloud or read independently on your own. We're going to continue reading Rosie Revere today. We're really going to focus on what the problem Rosie is experiencing, right? What problem she is about to face. When we listen to this, we need to really be detailed and specific because we're going to be writing about it. Okay, so that's the reading for today. Your next step is writing, all right? After you read, you're going to write. We're going to be writing 2 paragraphs. First, we will write a detailed paragraph about Rosie's problem. You're going to make sure that you have a topic sentence. You're going to tell me what Rosie's problem is. You're going to use evidence from the story and explain your answer in a thought-out paragraph. I have also included a graphic organizer that you can use to write this. Your second detailed paragraph is similar, but we are going to write how Rosie can solve this problem. All right, this is an opinion paragraph, but you are still going to create a topic sentence. You're going to have a creative solution in there. You're going to use evidence from the story to prove your solution is the best. You're going to use evidence maybe about your character or evidence from your own personal thought. You need to explain your answer in a thought-out paragraph. Make sure it's a paragraph. First things first, we need to get to reading. So get some creative ideas as you're listening today. Bye, fourth graders.